Oh.
Do it.
It's gonna
Right
hit.
to him.
Nah, it's not. Where is it?
Battle.
Right there.
Hit him.
There.
No.
I don't see him.
Hit him.
No, please don't hit him.
See it right there?
No, I don't.
That
Where?
black thing in there.
No, look on the camera.
You're looking the wrong way.
Because you're too high.
Am I not?
See that? See him?
No, I do. Wait, no.
There. It just
Where?
moved.
Oh, there's a bird.
No, that's a helicopter.
Oh. There. Oh man, it went out of sight.
I gotta be aimed right at him. Oh, right there.
He went down.
Isn't that him right there?
Whoa.
Oh, went way too
There's
down.
someone standing right below.
Come on.
It's a
try.
sing battle.
I'm gonna. What should I do? I'm gonna come back and have it land in the right place.
Oh, I know where he is. He's by the swimming pool. There he is. Wait. Where is he? Where is his drone?
Oh, there!
No, but it's by the coconut tree.
Okay, hold on. Describe it to me. Where? By the coconut tree?
By the coconut tree, little by the hole, and
See?
it's going up,
Oh, I see it.
and I'll go to
I see it. No, Rice, get over here.
It's too high.
I see him, but we're right above him.
Yeah, we're right.
Where?
The other bird's
can't.
away.
I can't. I'm trying to get him on camera.
Landed that. He's going to land. He's going towards the coconut tree.
Where's he going?
Into the pool.
He's going to the pool.
He's right. Yeah, he's probably over the pool.
Where is he? In his car? No, his car is by the pool.
Go down.
I am. Let's go look.
Land it. Don't make an accident.
I wish it could shoot bullets.
Oh yeah. Pew, 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 pew. And then you have a drone battle. And then the bullets they'll come back and then you like keep launching them. And
He's-
like, pew 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 pew.
Look, Ace, look.
Just pick it up and it's just sitting there. Let him try it.
Is he in his car?
Right, Ace, your turn. Just try it.
He's not in his car. Oh, I see it. I see it.
Where?
Oh, there he is. I see him.
Land it on his head.
Land by him.
Oh, look at all the crap. You guys, stop fighting. There he is.
Oh.
Let's go up. Let's go up.
Can
So
I
we-
go by him?
No. Here, so let's not disturb the players. Oh. Oh, we good. Oh. The wrong way. We should have. Right here, we can film this next guy. You want to bring it home?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. Oh, that's all. That's all you're gonna do? Let Ace fly it home then.
What?
Okay. Okay. So this goes forward. So go forward. Yep. Let's go up more. Okay. And then stop. Then look at it. Do you see it?
No.
Look, it's right there. See, straight up. Okay. Wait, look at the camera. Okay, now look at the camera. Now turn it to us. Okay, look, look. Stop, stop. Don't touch anything, okay? This goes left and right. Just turns it a little bit to us. Nope, turn it other way. Yeah, slowly, slowly. Go back, other way. Other way, other way. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, now come forward. Yeah. Look at the camera, look at the camera. So that's right above the green. Right?
Ow.
And that's right above us. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Okay, Rice, come. Okay, trade.
What?
Straight up. Okay, now bring it down.
That?
Bring it down. Just down. Straight down.
Casey?
Ace, look up. Do you see it? You're supposed to always be able to see it.
Yeah, I can see it. Can I press that?
No, let's just bring it. Let's land it our way. So slowly. Okay, slowly, slowly. Start, yeah. Okay, now bring it down. And then with this, make sure that square stays there, okay? Don't make any crazy movements, okay? Nothing crazy. Okay, perfect, perfect. Stop, stop now. Now you watch it. So now, down and go forward a little bit. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring
Can
it
I
down.
press that? Now.
Oh, no, look there.
Landing.
Okay, thank you, sir.